Yesterday I caught a little virus. I think we caught that. That's not surprising in nowadays situation. Yeah, and today is the helicopter days again. But don't worry. These are sport helicopters, I think, and if you're visiting big cities, you could go to a Roli. I mean, I think it's in Hungary, but I'm not sure about this. Maybe I need to look. We need to look around in which country have big Roli parties, and I think it's the sportsmen are really making a good work, yeah, when they are just driving a car or driving something else, and they need to be really careful in these situations because who knows, yeah, yeah.